headed to Happy DIY in Chinatown. Take a phone case and get a Sony Angel. Alright, we have parked the car in the lot. There ain't no parking in Chinatown, y'all. But we're getting my face too, shit. Damn, this place is womping like that. Yo, you nervous? Maybe it's just me. Alright, we just gonna do our thing. Damn, they got a line outside. This place is crazy womping. These kids better not be coming here. I'm trying to do my shit in peace. Just get, oh my God. Alright, they go next door. You see? Oh, this is the place. Holy shit. Oh, we got a reservation. This is crazy. Thank you, baby. Wow. Cute. Hi. I called. I have a 1 o'clock for 2 people.
1 o'clock for 2 people?
Yes. Thank you.
When I'm ready, you can your phone number?
5425.
5425.
Yeah, I just called, said I was parking.
Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah, no problem. Oh, she got somebody else by accident, I think.
Sorry, give me 1 second. You guys want to have a seat right there?
Thank you. Oh, there's someone's person right there. This is the prices. Phone case is $28. Thank you. Are you gonna make anything, baby? Okay. I want a phone. I want one of those. You wanna help me? Okay.
What is all this stuff up the top shelf?
Yeah, they're like figurines. But can I have an iPhone 15.
Okay, great.
Can I do that? And I see those little bags on. I don't want to do just
like
those.
the press, like the iron.
Oh, okay, okay, just that. And I do want a Sony Angel too. I don't know if I get that at the end.
Yeah.
Okay. So just a phone case.
Phone case, and then
He's just here to.
just here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, they got pop.
Here's your tray for your charge.
Okay.
And then your iPhone case comes with 2 free creams, so the colored piping bags at the bottom.
Perfect.
And then I would start with like 15 charms, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Anything, let me know. I'll be around.
Thank you. I'm gonna put my charms. I'll be back.
I got left on you.
And
I'm just gonna make a Hello Kitty. I'm just gonna leave that like this.
What?
Green thing.
oh yeah, they got little like fake Heineken. We gotta find something Barbie related. Oh, Chanel. Alright, help me find some stuff, babe. You know I like Barbie more than Hello Kitty. Okay. Okay. I'm definitely at my limit. Alright. Cute. Alright, we're definitely done. We're at our limit. Don't show them now. There's 1, 2, 3. Look at SpongeBob. I might not use it. You do? Okay, 4.
I like these little characters.
Yeah. 5, 6. We definitely need our J and our L. 7, 8. This is makeup product. I love that. 9. Gotta have my Barbie. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Do we need? We do not need
They
that.
don't go with the rest.
Right. All right. I do want to buy one of those for my phone. They're so cute. I love this place. Oh man, it's helping me. So we don't care. I guess we'll do makeup with Barbie. Makeup over here. BB cream.
You do it the way you want it to look on here.
Yeah, I'm assuming. So we'll do J and L. Like, oh, should you be in the middle?
Yeah.
All right.
What's that? In cursive?
Chanel.
Oh.
Chanel could be next to the, like, I don't know.
Cream, what's that?
Like here?
Yeah, next to the Barbie.
I'm sorry, this is the first time here.
Oh, okay. So, with basically, you choose whichever one kind of comes out differently, so kind of depends.
Oh, okay, that's cute. I guess the hearts. Hearts, right? Hearts.
Hearts for both of them?
Oh, this is a lot. I think I don't like how that one is. Like, I like the hearts too. So maybe like this one and that one? Or no, this one and that one. Those two look good together?
Yeah.
Like hearts would be cute. And then we
I'm
got,
crazy about food.
no, which
you
one?
gotta pick 2 of them?
No, she said I could do one for all of them. Should I just do hearts?
This one is like that. Oh, they just did this one all across.
It looks like me, yeah. Should I just do the hearts all across?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna do hearts. Sorry. Yes. She's like, girl,
Yeah.
it's your job. Let me get my Sony Angel. You could make hairbrushes. You can make lotions. Look at that. You can make lotion
This is
purses.
a great idea.
Yeah. You guys are busy all the time.
Usually more on the weekends.
Yeah.
The weekdays are a little slower.
Right. Work and stuff. No, but this is awesome. It's on my long way to Philly to start a storm that.
Who said that?
My dad was going to bring in Papa.
Starting out there, comes down here.
Right. His dad bringing this thing later. Drive slow. Yeah. Oh, should I move it all off?
Yeah. Do you want me to show you how to play it?
Yes.
You want the hearts, right?
Yes.
I like that.
Okay. I'm just scared.
I can help you do it if you want. Just kind of.
In the middle?
Or you want it all around so then your charms will stick to it.
Okay.
So do you want to practice on the paper?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Is the keychain
Yeah.
yours?
No. I look like a heart.
Oh yeah.
I can help you do it if you want. This one might be
Yeah, I'll take that look good?
Oh, I don't know.
You gotta help me. Yeah.
Okay, do you know how you want it? Like which color or...
Kind of like each pink, white, pink, white.
Oh, all around?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, like pink, white.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I see. Are you still laying on your charm?
Oh, the bow. No.
Well, I know how you do it.
Wow, thank you. It was overwhelming looking at every charm.
I'm looking at hers. I'm like, I didn't even see half your
Yes.
charms.
You just want to put your charms right on top of it.
Okay.
She
Yes.
did real good.
Yeah, she did. It looks so cute. Mine would not have looked like that. You want to help me? I'm nervous.
Is the boat?
I'm scared to mess it up.
You say you put it on, you gotta let it dry? Or
No,
just
you
put it
can't let it dry. You gotta put it on right away. And shake it. You push down on it.
on? Look at this one. Yeah, lightly.
I just like the hearts now. Oh, see? Hey, I'm missing out.
Leave it.
Great. I was just gonna go there.
Just put it into the strawberry shortcake charm.
So mad. Alright. I need tweezers.
I knew we were doing all these very well. We've been here for an hour. Yeah. Yeah. Indecisive.
Okay. It was a little sideways, but I think I could. I love this song.
Okay. Should I do?
Right? Dior, don't have to go here. Yeah? See
This?
Right?
Last piece in the middle.
Huh?
Last piece in the middle.
I'm gonna give the ears back. They just did not go. Look, I wanted to love them. Is that cute? Alright.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Can never change it. Is my camera even catching any of this? Hey. Do they see the. Oh, wait.
It says 10%, bro.